Lakini pia hawasioni kama wananunua ndio kama maelekezo kidogo. After tunaenda kwa chakula. So if you want to try,
I'm a member of Makonde family. We Makonde, we are not Tanzania people. We are come from Mozambique. Our grandfather, our grandmother, long time ago. They running from Mozambique to Tanzania because of civil war there. So they came to Tanzania as refugees. After staying for a long time, now we are Tanzania people. It's a good country, hakuna matata. Our daily activity is wood and carved by using different type of wood. Here we use ebony wood, mahogany wood, rosy wood, and teak wood. Ebony wood looks like this.
Oh.
You see this is black.
Black inside.
Black inside, outside white.
Yes.
This is young ebony. When it is full matured enough, the white color disappears and it becomes...
Can I see
yes.
Oh, it's heavy, huh?
Yeah. Later, it will become completely black like this.
Okay.
In history, ebony to be full matured enough is taking about 70 up to 100 years.
Okay.
It's heavy wood and hard.
Beautiful, beautiful wood.
Exactly.
Okay. Asante.
Okay.
And now you can say about the boat.
Yeah, so through to the ebony, if you'll make a boat or canoe, you'll get a big problem.
You're gonna sink.
You're gonna sink, yes.
it's much denser than water, so always sinking.
Okay.
So
Also, we have this wood here. This is rosewood.
Oh, yes.
This is rosewood.
Oh, we had a rosewood trunk when he was a boy.
Really?
He had.
Okay. Yeah, this is rosewood. We make something like this, according to this. The balls like this.
Beautiful.
So, yeah, it's from this. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Also, we have white mahogany. Okay. This is white mahogany. It's very light and easy to carve.
Very light.
Yeah. This you can make boat, no problem.
Okay.
Oh, this is extremely light, huh?
Yeah.
And it's still plenty hard?
Yeah.
Oh, still plenty hard.
Yes. The last wood is teak.
Teak wood.
Yeah, this is teak wood, as you can see.
And all of these wood are growing in Tanzania?
Yes.
Tanzania?
Yeah.
Okay.
All they grow in Tanzania. For example, rosy wood, teak wood, and mahogany we found around this area because it needs a lot of water. So there are so many here.
It?
Yeah, for example, rosy wood, teak wood, and mahogany. Once when you cut in one tree, you should plant 5 to 6 for the future generation.
Of course.
That is a law, and they will like it. Yeah. So ebony, only ebony we found out of this village. Ebony we found from Masai Mountain, about 40 kilometers from here, in dry area.
Okay.
Yeah, it's grown dry area, and you are not allowed to cut which is been which is still live. You have to cut which has been fall down with big animals like elephant or the wind. So you collect the branches.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So everything you see here we make, some it have a story behind. For example,
yes, this is ebony.
you see many people in one piece. Have you seen something like this somewhere?
In India, made out of ivory, they do carvings out of one piece of ivory.
Yeah.
But carved out of wood, never in my life.
All right. So the meaning of this, I think you don't know.
No.
Right. This one in Swahili words we call it ujamaa.
Ujamaa.
Yeah. Ujamaa means socialism.
Ujamaa, socialism.
You know, in Tanzania, we have more than 120 different tribes, different religions, but we live together. Also in Tanzania, to intermarriage between tribe and tribe, hakuna matata. And this idea we heard from first president of Tanzania, who was called Julius Kambarage Nyerere.
Nyerere.
Yeah, exactly.
The
He
first
was
president of
Yes.
Tanzania.
Exactly. He was introducing Tanzania, living together, help each other. So when you come from Mozambique, we take an idea to make this figure representing how Tanzania living together. 120 different tribes living together, no quarrel. So we make this representing how Tanzania living together.
It's wonderful.
Yeah. Top and the bag at the side and very skinny. This is not a Maasai because Maasai have long hair.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this is Papa and the Mama Makonde, our tribe. We make this because during the Civil War, our grandfather and our grandmother, they walk long distance from Mozambique to Tanzania through the forest to escape the war. On the way, there are no food enough, there are no water to drink, they get very skinny. So when you come here, we take an idea to make this film to remind ourselves when you're going from Mozambique to Tanzania. And this is a big message. Don't go to the war, don't go to the fighting.
I agree.
War's not good. Yeah.
Mbaya.
Mbaya sana.
Mbaya.
Vita ni vibaya sana. 2 or 3 days to finish all to explain, and you are on to working. So this job we didn't go to school in order to learning how to carve. This job we inherited through our father and the father and the father, generation to generation. So this is our daily activity. Sometimes we receive local and international visitors like you who like to know about Makonde. Lectures are married free of charge, camera taking free of charge. If you want to learn how to carve, we can teach you free of charge. Maybe when you go back home, you take a piece of wood and then you'll make your own elephant.
Oh.
I think it's good. Yeah. But also, if you are interested for anything, our price here is negotiable. And to buy is your option. The major point is you to know where people making this, something like this product. So karibu sana, hakuna matata.
Asante sana.
Karibu sana.